What's up guys, welcome back to a quick video tutorial about how to install iOS 14 beta version on your iPhone. No computers needed. So finally, Apple has released the first beta of iOS 14 for all compatible iPhones. While the beta is only indeed for developers in its current state, you can always install it on your iPhone by following these guides. But before doing any step further, I do highly recommend that you connect your iPhone with your laptop or your computer desktop, then open the iTunes program and make sure you do a security backup for all your data. Why you will do this? Because if you download and install the iOS beta version and then you want to go back to the old version, maybe you have 13.5 or maybe you have 13.5.1 or whatever you want, you will not be able to do that unless you have made a backup for your system. So that's why I told you before to make a copy for your system so that it will be easier for you to do that. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing, let's take a look on the compatible devices for the iOS 14. As you can see, the iOS 14 beta version is compatible with the iPhone starting from iPhone 6s until the last one, the SE, the second generation. Alright, so the first step that you need to follow to install the beta version is to access a link which you will find in the description below. Okay, I will open this link again so that you will find it in the description below, as I said. So you will type betaprofiles.com, right? And then you click on go. Okay, so as you can see here, we will be able to install a profile, a beta profile, a developer profile. It's easy to do that, don't worry guys. Okay, you scroll down a little bit and then you click on download, as you can see here. Okay, the iOS beta profiles, click on download and then you click on hello. Okay, close. After that, just click on the home button and then click on settings. As you can see here, profile downloaded, you click on profile. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the iOS beta software profile. So we just click on install here, as you can see. Okay, and then you have to write down your password, and then if you want to read the conditions of this iOS version, you are free to read it or not. Okay, just click on install. Okay, then install, and then we click on done. Alright, so the second steps that we need to do is go on software updates, as you can see here, and then we will be able to see the iOS version 14. Okay, so as you can see, the iOS 14 developer beta, you just click on download and install. Okay, as you can see here guys, it's really easy. Okay, just click on download and install. Again, you will need to type your password. Okay, and we just need to wait. Okay, it takes out, so I think the size of this system, I think it's 4 GB, so it depends on the connection that you have. I will wait a little bit and then I will go back. Okay, Alright guys, so after installing the iOS 14, your phone will restart automatically, and then here we go. I do have the latest version of the iOS. Let's check it out. We shall access to general and then software updates. As you can see, I do have the latest version, the iOS 14. So let's check some features. Here are the widgets. So if you want to know more features about the iOS 14, you can click on this video that shows up, or you can check out in the description. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next.